Well, hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Atrix and today we're having a special vlog, and it's a special day for me because we are getting a dog and I'm very excited to actually show you guys what dog it's going to be. I'm here with my sister right now, she's driving.
Hi.
And my mother in the back. And
Excited!
yes, we're really excited to actually get this dog. We've been thinking about getting a dog for years now.
Ages.
And yeah, ages. And I can't actually believe it's happening right now because my sister and I are actually really old, and we always wanted to have a dog when we were younger, and now we're getting a dog and we're older. So it's really weird and complicated, but I'll show you guys very soon how the dog is going to look like. And
Super cute.
it's super cute. We were thinking about today about the name, what name we're gonna give the dog, and we came up with really cool ideas. But I don't know. Let's just write in the comments what you guys think should be better. Should be better to have a name for the dog. And but before we go to fetch the dog, we're gonna actually go and buy some stuff for the dog because we don't have anything. We need like a line, we need like some toys, anything. So yeah, I'll show you guys. Yeah. Shall we tell us what we're gonna buy today?
We're gonna buy a bed for him. Look at those beds, they're fluffy. Look at this fluffy stuff.
There's so many colors. Maybe we should get pink.
Pink for the I need to. Wasn't in the line then?
I'm not used to being in a pet shop, guys.
You have to get used to the smell, right?
Yeah, we have to.
Like you want to find it.
If you guys are actually wondering, you know, I actually had an animal before this dog, but it was actually not really a pet.
It was a cute bunny.
It was a bunny. We had bunnies called Simba and Hoppelini. They were very friendly. Well, my bunny was really friendly, and her bunny was like really aggressive. It almost bit me, and yeah, they did weird stuff. The big one. This big one is gonna be enough for the rest of its life. The black one?
Plastik oder Metall?
Is this metal?
Oh, the dark one is really nice.
Dark one?
I think so. What does it say?
Fill me.
Feed me. Feed me. Nicht fill me, ja. Feed me.
Esse es grande también, es de metal. ¿Cuánto cuesta ese?
Which should we choose?
29.
29.
I think the silver one is more standard, and the black one is like, I don't know. We actually also have some really exciting toys. Like there's a weird shoe. And look at this chicken. I think if you guys know the meme. Yeah.
Shake it!
Charlie's not making the same sound. So there's so much choice. What the hell, Steffi? Oh, not making any sounds. You gotta look at the speaker. Yeah. Yeah, no gracias. Oh, is this one the one? No. Yes. Yeah. You guys check this out. Some birdies. These ones are really crazy. So much energy. Oh, there's even another one, a big one. Say it up, birdie. The lighting is not so good. There are like some mice. Mice. Hello. It's like there was like a naked one. A hedgehog. Just chilling in a corner. Well, we finally got the stuff. We like bought a bed, we bought like some food, we bought some chains and stuff, and we are on our way right now to get the dog, and I'm just really excited actually. Well guys, we got the dog, and as you can see, it's a white puppy. It's a what? It's a Swiss Shepherd. Swiss Shepherd dog, and he's so nervous. We just left his family. The parents were also really sad when we left him.
But he's super cute.
And he's so cute, and he's so calm, and he's like, he doesn't really know what is happening. I'm so happy that we got one. Finally a dog. Say hello. Say hello to the viewers. Yeah, I think he's just a bit nervous right now. His heart is pounding really hardcore. He's just nervous for leaving his family. I mean, that's totally normal. I can't wait for him to actually see our house. He's gonna be really excited. We bought him some nice toys and stuff. We're gonna take really good care of him. Yes? Home sweet home. Finally we're back home, and the dog is really excited to actually get out. He's just like looking. Oh, there's my car. Let's go in. Are you excited, doggy? Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. Welcome home. Mira al agua que cae. Yo casi me caigo ayer a la piscina.
He's really confused right now what's going on. He's not gonna be here with his brothers. Yo, they had like 8 puppies in total maybe? 7 puppies in total. And now this little one is gonna be alone. Oh, there's a bunny. Look at that bunny there.
Ludwig!
Because like these bunnies just used to chill here in the garden. Oh, what a beautiful day in South Africa. Let's see.
Ludwig! Ah, nicht reingekriegt. It's okay. No, he didn't. Get out! Get out!
No.
Hello!
He's a really calm one. Really calm one. Ja. Ja.
Oh ja. Ich hol mir was Sweeties, okay?
Mhm. Well, this is your new home now. What do you have to say, Sky?
Happy? Well, are you happy, my baby?
I don't know if we should call him Sky.
You also just called him
because he just told him
Sky.
Named him after that.
Skywalker.
No. And we're about to leave to the clubhouse now. The dog is ready to go, as you guys can see. Oh my god, check that out.
Oh, he's so excited, no?
Yeah, he's really excited to take a walk. And he's just actually really calm. for a dog, you know.
Perfect dog for us.
And he has to get used to the chain and stuff.
Mama?
Oh. Show yourself to the camera.
Halt mal die Leine.
There you go, I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go? In my opinion, I would call him Snow, guys. What do you guys think? Snow? Sky? I don't know. We even thought about naming him like giving him a Japanese name. Yuki, because Yuki means snow in Japanese and also means luck. So, but he's a boy, so Yuki's more of a female name.
Ja, mein Baby. Willst du schon was trinken? Komm her. Komm, schmeckt. Trink was. Weiß ich nicht.
And we're about to leave for the clubhouse. Yeah, he has to get used to all the new stuff. It's been a while since I actually took a walk. Bye home.
Komm, Sky, komm.
We just arrived at the clubhouse, guys. We're gonna decide whether we should go downstairs or upstairs because there are two restaurants. And the dog is struggling. We're struggling with the dog to actually come. He's very nervous. And every 10 meters he like stops. Oh, my sister's not. There is she, look, you can see. Okay guys, you can see we just got our food. I ordered a pizza, my mother ordered a rump steak, and my father also got a rump steak, and this is
Chicken filled.
Chicken filled. And I just have 10 seconds left of camera space because I still need to get a memory card.
2 hours later.
We just left the clubhouse and now we're back home with the dog. We had to carry him because he was really tired, and now he's just chilling on the floor. It's very cold in this dog outside. And yeah, I just had to move all the videos we made today to the computer in order to make some space on our small memory card. And yeah, my father joined us too today.
Yeah.
He came back from Germany.
How are you?
Yeah.
So then you can follow how the dog grow up. How the dog grows up, and how we will train him. He will be a very
Yeah, I will have to like work with the dog.
But tomorrow you have an English test.
And tomorrow I'm writing my English well, not English exam, but it's like an essay rewriting about Shakespeare. Yeah, pretty sad. But yeah guys, I'll check you guys out. But yeah, if you guys like the video, then just hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, then just subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned. I'll see you guys. And yeah, peace out.